Hello and welcome to the 340 Club. In this video, we'll be solving this question. 5 to the power 2x minus 6 times 5 to the power x plus 5 is equal to 0. So let's begin. The first thing we'll do is apply this rule, which is the power rule in reverse, right? So if a number is raised to a product of exponents, then it can be written as exponent of an exponent, right? So a to the power x times y can be written as a to the power x all to the power y, or a to the power y all to the power x. So in that sense, 5 to the power 2x can be written as 5 to the power 2 all to the power x, or 5 to the power x all squared. So let's go with 5 to the power x all squared. So we have this 5 to the power x all squared minus 6 times 5 to the power x plus 5 is equal to 0. The next thing we'll do is to replace 5 to the power x with the variable. So let u equals 5 to the power x. So our equation now becomes a quadratic like this. U squared minus 6u plus 5 is equal to 0. So we are going to factorize that quadratic and have u minus 1 in one bracket and u minus 5 in another bracket. So the solutions are u equals 1 or u equals 5. Now we can bring back 5 to the power x. So we have 5 to the power x equals 1, and 1 is a number raised to the power 0. So 5 to the power x equals 5 to the power 0. And we know if the bases are the same, you can equate the powers. So if a to the power x equals a to the power y, then x equals y, right? So 5 to the power x equals 5 to the power 0, then x equals 0. Now for the second solution, we have 5 to the power x equals 5, which is the same as 5 to the power 1, right? So 5 to the power x equals 5 to the power 1. The bases are the same, so I can equate the exponents and I have x equals 1. So the solutions are x equals 0 or 1. So that's all. That's how to solve this question. Make sure you like this video, leave a comment and subscribe. Bye.